Oh guys, our bike is not starting and we are in the middle of buttfuck Egypt. Yeah, it's just not starting right now, but it'll happen eventually, yo. What's up?
You need a bump start?
I might try that, yeah. It's just like the neutral light doesn't work and like, fuck. I guess, yeah, I'd appreciate it, yeah. Yeah, it ain't gonna work. Oh, there it goes, yeah. It just works when it feels like it, man.
You ride off then, or?
Yeah, I just bought I have a CBR 1000 and the engine exploded. Yeah, so I'm trying to get it. I dropped the engine and I got a new one to put in or whatever.
Do you ride with a group or?
Nah, not really.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just by myself.
If you ever want to ride, there's a yellow CBR F4i over there.
Yeah?
That's my bike.
True?
Yeah, on the left hand side over here.
Word?
If you ever want to ride, man, just come on by. If you see the truck and the bike, I'm a home.
Yeah, nice, bro. Hell yeah. What's your name?
Josh.
Nice to meet you. I'm Julian, yo. Yeah. My girlfriend works at the club right there, so I'm just dropping her off here, yeah.
Nice. Yeah, man, just stop on by anytime, dude.
Oh, yeah, bro.
For a ride.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
Right,
Appreciate the help, bro. Yeah, dude, this bike isn't too reliable, but hopefully I get my other one fixed.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
I have a 600
Yeah.
F4i.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
All right, man. Nice to meet you, bro. Appreciate the help. That guy was nice. What's going on, guys? So it's been quite a while since I made a video. Well, I made that pizza delivery video. I was really excited to get into popping out the videos for you guys. I had a bunch of them lined up. But guess what happened? My CBR 1000, the engine exploded on me, and that was like my pizza delivery vehicle. And then shortly after that, like a couple days after my engine exploded, my computer, like this old ass Mac that I've had since like 2012, it crapped out on me. It won't even turn on anymore. So all my videos, like everything is gone. Like literally years of videos and pictures, all gone. I'm gonna have to get like the hard drive forensically restored. That's what the guy at the computer shop said. So I'm gonna try to get a computer as soon as possible. I'm gonna use my girlfriend's laptop to edit this video for you guys. Just thought I'd give you a little update. We got this bike, a ZX6r. This is probably the first time you've seen it. We bought this from a guy at Home Depot. Like literally I just went to Home Depot to go buy some hardware or something, and this guy comes up to me because he sees that I have my helmet, and he starts talking to me about like he just started riding 3 days ago because he just got this bike out of nowhere, and like something was fucked up with the exhaust because it doesn't even have an exhaust on here. It's just a straight pipe. The neutral light is going on and off, and that's why it won't start. So if it's not neutral, it's not gonna start. And so yeah, I just offered to buy from him for $2,000, and he's like, okay. So I bought this bike for $2,200 bucks. $2,200 for an 05 ZX6r, 16,000 miles. It's not bad of a deal. I could definitely flip this for like 25, maybe even like 28, 29. But like a week after I bought this bike, my CBR 1000 blew up, so this became my main bike right now. So I'm heading home right now, and I can show you guys what we're working with the CBR 1000. So I sort of just bought this bike out of nowhere, just meeting that guy at Home Depot. It's just a really good deal, $2 grand for a ZX6r. I'll give you guys a little walk around once we get home here. That guy was chill. He's like, yo, my yellow bike's over there. Come knock on the door if you ever want to ride. Right? So I have no computer to edit videos, but I'm gonna use my girlfriend's laptop. And I had a lot of good footage making deliveries and stuff, ready to post it pretty much, and then my computer just died, so that's history. But I definitely want to start posting more stuff on YouTube, because I know at least it's always going to be there, and I'm not going to like lose the video. I can always go back and watch my memories. There's a police coming after us. I'm not used to having mirrors. It's pretty convenient being able to see behind you. Oh, I'm sorry. But see, the bad thing about mirrors is it takes your attention away from focusing on what's in front of you. And that's really what's the most important. So I think it's honestly better to ride without mirrors, and it teaches you to look, turn your head, and actually make sure there's not a car there, because believe it or not, you can have a blind spot on your mirror in a motorcycle, and it will look clear and there could be a car right next to you. Like, it's always good to look. Mirrors are definitely good to have there. Those extra pig spotters. Oh, there's another one. Two police. I don't even have this bike registered yet. It's still under that guy's name. I'm sorry, dude. I was riding it with his plate for a while, but I gave it back to him earlier today. Not a bad bike. Decent. I could tell that the engine is solid. It's just some cosmetic damage. I'll show you guys once we get to my house, and I can show you the 1000. I dropped the motor already. What do you guys think about this no exhaust straight pipe? $2,200 for this bike. That's how much like 250s go for. Should we pop a wheelie on it? It's so crazy trying to pop a wheelie on it. It's so hard for me because I'm used to the 1000. The 1000 you barely have to pop the clutch, but this you actually gotta whomp it. The police is coming after us. Oh, he's coming. I see him. I hope this light goes green, man. Fuck. Back there, but I don't think he's too interested in us. It's like a hit or miss. Some cops really don't care about motorcycles, but some cops really do hate motorcycles. Like, a lot of the times I've been pulled over, the cops are like surprised that I even pulled over. They're like, wow, thanks for stopping for us. Really didn't think you were gonna stop. Have a nice day. But some cops literally just fuck you in the ass for no reason. So we're almost home. I'll give you guys the walk around of this bike and I'll show you guys the 1000, how it's looking after the engine exploded on me. I wish I got that on video, but I got it in my mind. I got it on memory in my mind, boy. It's so hot. But check out the integrated turn signals though. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's nice. I know. We rolling out. We got 10 more miles till we hit 17K. Whoop. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're home. Let me give you a quick look at our vehicle here. There it is. Give you the walk around. Shit's a little fucked up. Straight piped exhaust, literally melted all the plastic here. But other than that, it's a pretty clean looking bike.